The Atlas Post. Well, tax day has finished. Okay, that's for most of the people. Some people have filed an extension. But if you have filed, the first thing you want to know is, where's my refund? So your refund and the status of it has much to do with how you filed. For example, if you file electronically, you can actually expect status within 24 hours after you filed your return by going to Where's My Refund on the IRS website at irs.gov. It's updated daily, usually overnight. But if you filed a paper tax return, well, as you can see on the IRS website, it basically says, well, we will get to it. We are experiencing long delays due to limited staffing. So if you already filed a paper return, they will process it in the order that they receive it. Expect it will take at least 4 weeks from when you sent it in. Don't contact them until it's been after 6 weeks. And do not file a second return or call the IRS. Here's the other cool part is you can also use a mobile device. Yes, the IRS now allows you to check on your cell phone with an app called IRS To Go. But what you'll need is your social security number or ITIN, your filing status, and your exact refund amount. So this is where you have to go back to see where you filed or how much you filed for your taxes and enter that in so you can get your information. Here's those 2 extra tips that I've been waiting to share with you, which is, in addition, interest on individual 2019 refunds reflected on returns filed by July 15th will generally be paid from April 15th until the date of the refund. So you get interest if you were owed money. And interest payments may be received separately from the refund and are considered taxable income in the year received. Here are those extra tips that I mentioned for you if you stay towards the end. Number 1 is you might receive interest. If you were receiving a refund, you will receive interest on individual 2019 refunds reflected on returns filed by July 15th. And you will generally be paid from April 15th until the date of the refund. And interest payments may be received separately from the refund and are considered taxable income in the year received. So if you're getting income for right now with these taxes that were filed for 2019, it will be for next year for 2020. Also, if you received a stimulus check, remember we were talking about EIP, and some people that were the non-filers, they probably were not aware of it, that they might need to pay taxes. So the tax deadline of July 15th, they got a surprise tax bill on that. But anyway, so the stimulus payments are taxable. Also, what's taxable is PPP loans for the salary that was paid for it. Unemployment's also taxable. So you guys got to make certain that you save that information or actually save the money so you can pay your taxes for next year. Then I have a little bit more for you. But before we get to that, I also do want to tell you thanks for helping to support us. I'm Joy Atlas, and I've been creating these videos to update and help you get loans, help you get unemployment. Let's see, find out more about taxes, all these things that are financial. And I would love some coffee to keep me up late at night or even during the day. So you can help support the channel by buying me some coffee or 2 or catch me up on Patreon for the Atlas Post. Info is included in the description below. You can also help us out by sharing our videos, liking them, making comments, checking out our playlist, and subscribing for the latest updates. And here's the part that you've been waiting for. Okay, here's the extra tidbit for those that wait towards the end, which is you can call the IRS's automated refund hotline at 800-829-1954. You can also download the app, which is IRS To Go. That's the number 2, IRS To Go. But here's the phone number. It's an automated refund hotline. It has the same information, but for some of you that love a telephone number to call, it's 800-829-1954. That's 800-829-1954, and that may be easier for you than checking it out online at Where's My Refund. Anyway, thank you for joining us, and tap into your news with the Atlas Post. Have a joyful day and weekend.